wait for you.
8, 7, 6, 9, 10. 10.
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh dear. What is what?
That? Do you hear it?
Do you hear
what's
it?
it? Oh, what's this?
Who's he?
Hey, see? Oh no. What's this? Oh no. What's this? Oh, why? Oh, it's a papa.
It's a papa.
Why? It's you.
Hi guys, good morning, namaste, welcome back to Nash Vlog. So it's about 9:30 right now and we are going out for some work. We are actually going out for house hunting because we are planning on shifting from here. We have so many reasons for that, but for now let us go together and we try look around for a house. So we are going to keep looking around for a house until we get the house that we feel this is ours. For now, let's go together. You remember this market was here? The market where this truck is coming from? It was this side, right? You remember?
Baby.
I used to work from somewhere here and he used to come to pick me every single day when I'm getting off my working hours, right? You remember? How was that time by that time? How were you feeling? Picking me up.
Picking what? I was picking my responsibility to home.
He would come and wait and stand until I'm done and then we will go back home together. And by then he didn't have a car. Like we used to use one motorcycle. We would sit on one motorcycle and we would go and oh my goodness, like he would wait until everything is done and then he would take me home. And he will make sure that he takes me till I reach like almost on my doorstep. Like at my home, he would see me going home, they'll be like, okay, bye. Like he will be safe. Okay, she has gone home. Gone other days, right? Every single day.
And one of those days we were robbed.
And one of those days we were robbed, yes. So one of the days, let me tell you a story. We decided to foot because it's almost next to our, like near our home. It's not a very long distance. So we were like, okay, let us foot today. And then we bought, I think it was maize. Was it maize or pancakes?
Maize.
We bought maize and we went while chewing on the maize, talking, holding hands. And I had this bag. I remember I had just gotten that bag. It was so pink and so beautiful, like a handbag, right? So while we were moving, talking and stuff, I think we used a route that, was not safe. We didn't know about that. So a motorcycle guy came out of nowhere and went with my bag. Like he snatched it. I didn't even realize he has taken it. I turned around, like he made me spin around and he held me. And when I realized, like, where is my handbag? It was already gone. And then I expected him, like the Indian movies we watch. The Indian movies we watch, like if they do anything to the Indian, girlfriend, he will feel so bad. He will run after them and he will dishum them fighting. So that is what I expected him to do. And then he's just standing, and I'm like, you're not going to run after him. Like, you just took my bag, my phone, my wallet, my IDs, everything is in there. He's like, but I can't run after him, Then I was like, in my mind I was like, but in Indian movies they do run. I forgot that this is real life, obviously, and I was young, I think. But anyway, putting that aside, he got me a new phone, he got me a bag, and he replaced everything. But still, my IDs, I had to move back and forth to renew the IDs. But that was an experience that we had. Oh my goodness, gone are the days. And my boss by then was an Indian, right? Yeah, he was an Indian. His name was Bhavesh, and he used to come and wait, and he would, converse or maybe have some chit chat with the boss and wait until I'm done working. And then we would go back home together. So probably that guy who took the bag thought maybe he's one of the bosses that we are working for, and he thought maybe in that bag I had all the money for the company. Maybe that is why he snatched the bag away from me. But anyway, oh my God, I miss those days. We would move together anywhere.
He didn't know we were poor.
But he didn't know we were poor. And to make matters worse, in that bag there was no much money, like there was no that much money that he would be proud of. I've taken something away from these people. So I think he was disappointed the time he reached home and he checked in the bag. We had some good time by the way, gone other days. So right now we are going to check on a house. We are kind of she's giving us directions. We are kind of looking for a new house. We are planning on shifting. So let us get together. Oh my god. So this is a roundabout that is this is the what? How is it called, honey? How is this place called? Northern Bypass, right? Is this the roundabout of the Northern Bypass? And I wanted
taking
to...
that one?
Yeah.
Exit the roundabout onto Kisasi, Kiania Road.
Kisasi. So it is a very beautiful roundabout here, and this is called a Northern Bypass. So it connects almost everywhere.
Kiania Road for 1 kilometer.
Wow, these houses are under construction.
Is on the right.
Oh, I think this is what I had seen in the video. In the video that you had shown me, remember?
Oh my god, I'm going so high.
So we are following this guy. He's telling us they have to pass here. Oh, this is so high. It's just like where we are staying right now, right, honey?
No, already staying over. Honey, not bad, honey. They have space. Kids can play.
Wow. Isn't this nice?
Do you have even bicycles above?
What do you mean they have bicycles?
What?
Kids can play around, no problem, but...
Face-to-face homes. Huh?
Get you ready?
Yeah.
Before you even enter?
Only.
This is going to be ours.
Only school issue.
The school is so far away from here. That is the only problem we are going to have, because there will be traffic jam every single day to drop and pick the kids from school, right? Okay. Careful, careful. Oh, wait, let me pick my bag. That she just wants to close. I wait. Careful, careful. Good job. It's not bad, like it's spacious, like around here. The kids can play. I opened the door. Which door do you want me to open, Adash? Hold on, we get the key. Where's the key?
Step on what? This side is clear.
This one, 2 bedrooms. This one is comprising of 2 and 3.
Okay.
How many trees are there?
What?
How many trees are there?
3? 3 we have only. The one which is complete is now 1.
It's down.
Yes.
Oh, we went up.
Okay, let's see this one. The one incomplete.
The one which is complete is here. Yes. But now you can sometimes also from down. Or you want the one which is ready.
No.
I think we'll go
You can wait. So I'm going to take you down.
So this is the living room. This is the kitchen. But I think all the kitchens are small. Huh? Not so, honey. This is one bedroom.
This one, one toilet and the shower.
The toilet is separate.
The master.
Okay, the master bedroom has its own bathroom, huh?
Toilet and shower.
I want the one with the balcony. This one. I don't like ground floor houses because I love having a balcony and I sit on my balcony and watch the world. So this one doesn't have a balcony because of course it is down, and that only makes me not like it. Okay, this is the only one that they have that is free. But anyway, let us try and look around and we see if they have some more or something. So he was saying like they have more, but they are not complete, like they are under construction. So we decided to go and check on it as well, and we see how it is or how it's going to be. And this particular one has a swimming pool as well, and he's like, this is the only swimming pool they have for the whole community. Like like these houses, it's a very big community here, so everybody will be coming here for swimming. So we're like, okay, you know what, let us just take on the ones that are not complete, because we are not in a hurry. We just wanted to see if we have a house that we can, you know, count on in a coming month or a year. So we came to also check on these ones that are not complete, and this is what we saw.
So on this one, now you can select.
Okay.
Because now at least this one they are starting from first floor. Here this is parking.
Parking is down.
Okay, this one is for rent only or also?
The same concept. Let me see the balcony.
Oh my god.
The balcony is just like smaller than the one we have. Hey, you can fall down. Is this smaller than what we have, the balconies?
Of course.
But the other one is big.
Don't forget. No, I mean the width. The width, not the length. Adash, come, hold my hand. You can fall down. Abby, you can fall down. Okay. This is the view of the space. Keep to him. Abby.
Sammy don't want to play.
I said play with him. I didn't say don't play. No touching, Adash. I'm telling you, honey, our home here is the best location.
Don't call your father.
Nice neighborhood. Right, honey? It's a nice neighborhood, right? Oh, they have a doggy. I fear dogs. Oh my god.
I love dogs.
You love dogs?
Uh-huh.
Ah, hello. Hi. Fine, thank you. Oh, I'm hearing them already. You even have a beehive here?
Yeah, I make hand. How are you?
Wow. So we also came to check on birds here so that we can get a friend for Tom. and this guy has a lot of birds. Like the doctor that I had taken Lily last time to the vet, he had connected me to this one, and he was like, you know what, he has a lot of birds that he's having at his home. You can go and talk to him, he can get you some. And oh my goodness, it was so beautiful to just watch them fly around, watch them be free. And he has built this like custom made, and it looks so beautiful in there. He has just tried his best to make it nature, to make it look like nature. This is a baby, and they have some nice water there.
Never sell them. If they are some of the first. This is another female that makes lots of eggs, but she is stubborn. And right now they blue with yellow face. But look,
A beautiful place.
thank you.
You're
So
welcome.
these are some that I took aside for you.
So this man has maintained this place so well that I love everything about it. It's just so green, and I love the nature. Like, he has tried his best to make it look like, I don't know how to explain it to you, but I think he's somebody who loves nature a lot. He has some pets, he has a snake, he has birds, he has chicken, he has dogs, he has, oh my goodness, he just loves nature, and I love stuff like this, right? So he got us some birds, and he was like, you know what, just take them because you love nature, because we had a very nice talk. And he's like, oh, I didn't know that you're into birds so much, you're too passionate about birds. And I'm like, yes, I am. And he's like, okay, I'm going to get you some birds, like, you go take care of them and you keep me updated, because I take them as my own. So you just keep on updating me, sending me pictures, and I take a look at the birds, and I'll feel good that somebody's taking care of them as well. And I was like, okay, cool, like, I have no problem with that, because I love birds as well. So let us, finger crossed, we're going to take them and we'll see how it goes.
You
Touch the dog, let's see. It's your dog. You're scared?
Wow, this one.